Let's remember this baby boy. Let's remember this baby. So nice, so nice. I don't know how to take a... RS5. I mean, baby, look at this bad boy right here. Sweet. Woo, yeah, it's nice. You can select everything here. We're gonna take a spin. We're gonna take it for a spin real quick. We just gotta get things done up there. Let's see if you can open it here. Oh yeah. Sweet. Make sure you're comfortable when you ride this thing. He said I can't push it though. Unfortunately, I won't be able to push it, but you guys will be able to see how it drives.
And actually what I'll do too is you've got Audi Drive Select.
Yeah.
So you're in dynamic mode, like you can go into like RS mode. There you probably just felt it. Drive, sport, suspension, sport, steering.
Yeah, I already feel all the change.
Present,
Sport differential.
There you go.
Wow.
And now you'll actually feel how it can perform. Yeah, just wants to go.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's so like
Yeah,
BMW
is it's a nice car. Don't get me wrong. I love BMWs, but like it is a stiffer drive.
Yeah.
This is meant to be comfortable in drive, and it's just a large circle here.
Oh, okay.
To spin around.
Oh, thank this one I got.
Nah, it's pretty cool. And it's got the paddle shifters.
Yeah, I was gonna do that.
Right? It's pretty sweet.
It's nice, yeah.
And the paddle shifters are very responsive.
Yeah.
RS5 being another step up, it doesn't sell as much. I think a lot of it is price point too, right? They are expensive cars.
Yeah. But this one is for what, 90 or more?
This one, no, this one before tax I think is 104.
Smooth so far.
Got all these speed bumps everywhere.
It's good because if you guys didn't have those, you never know who would have.
The car's gonna end up over there in a ditch.
Love that sound.
Yeah.
Let me move this so it doesn't fall.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.